evaluate the line integral where C is the positively oriented rectangle with vertices 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 3 and 0, 3. So 0, 0 here, positively oriented means going counterclockwise, then 2, 0 here, then 2/3, then 0, 3, so back to origin in fact. So positively oriented rectangle. So this curve is smooth. So we can write this line integral as a double integral using Green's theorem. Okay. We need to identify the components here. The component with dx part here, this one, that's P, and this is Q. P is a function of xy, is y ex, and Q is 4 times e raised to x. Then this line integral is same as this double integral of partial of Q with respect to x minus partial of P with respect to y with respect to area A. This is given by the Green's theorem. Okay, this line integral is same as this, and this region D is the region bounded by this rectangular curve. So this is D. Okay. So now we know how to evaluate this. So let me find this integrand. This is D, one more time, Qx, partial of Q with respect to x, partial derivative is 4 e raised to x, is same thing, minus Py, partial of this with respect to y, so Ex is constant, 1 times Ex, just Ex. Oh, 4 copies of Ex minus Ex is 3Ex. Now this is a rectangle, so we don't have to worry about the type 1 or type 2, and we can write in any order. Okay, it doesn't matter. We can go for dy dx or dx dy, does not matter. And x outer means x is running from where? If we look at here, x is going 0 to 2. And how about y? Y is here, vertical, so 0 through 3. And this integrand is 4ex minus 1ex, just 3ex. Now let's evaluate this. In fact, these are all numbers, so we can do, we can just, let's do iterated integral. Okay, this is just ex from 0 to 2. Antiderivative of 3ex with respect to y. There is no y, so what we can do is this 3ex dx here, one part, and y equals 0 through 3. There is no y function, we can just write 1 dy. We can do this as well. Then here, antiderivative of 3ex is just ex, and it goes from 0 to 2, times here antiderivative of 1 is y, and it goes from 0 through 3. Upper limit, lower limit, 3e squared minus 3e raised to 0, which is 1, so that's 3, times 3 minus 0, just 3. Final. We can factor 3 out from inside, 3 and 3, 9, and e squared minus 1. You may leave here. Final.